This tutorial will look into how to integrate Flexport with your Sellercloud account. Flexport, formerly Deliverr, is a 3PL, third-party logistics company. To set up your Flexport integration, you will need to create a new Flexport warehouse in Sellercloud. Go to Settings, click Inventory, and select Add New Warehouse. Name the warehouse Deliverr. If you are using SKUstack, you must confirm that the Inventory Manage Strictly Per Bin setting is not checked. Move to the next section and add your business and address details. Click the green icon to save your new warehouse. Note that Flexport quantity will also be shown in this warehouse. Make a note of your Sellercloud server name from the URL in your web browser. In Sellercloud, select or create a new dedicated employee account, user account, to use with Flexport. Go into Settings and head to the Employees menu. Select Manage Employees and click Add New Employee. Fill in all the required fields and click Add. Note the information you use here, as it must match what you input into Flexport later. Return to the Flexport setup page and enter your Sellercloud login email, Sellercloud login password, and the Sellercloud server name you recorded earlier. Click Connect Sellercloud to finish connecting Flexport to Sellercloud. Contact our support team to have the order allocation plugin installed.